Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can freeze rows and columns in LibreOffice Calc. So this is pretty simple and easy. So let's get started. So I have a data set over here and I want to freeze the first column and the first rows. So for this you need to click on the cell B2 and then you need to go to the view tab and click on that, and now you will see that here freeze rows and columns. You need to click over here to freeze both rows and columns. When you move towards right side, you can see that the first row is freeze, and similarly when you move towards downside, you will see that the first row is freezed. So the question is how you can unfreeze that. For this you need to again go to the cell B2 and click on the view and click on the freeze rows and columns. Click on this icon and now it is unfreeze, and here you can see that when you move to downwards you can see that no rows is freeze now. So this way you can easily freeze rows and columns in LibreOffice Calc. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.